Today we will start the new topic, coding and decoding. Can you tell me what was the last question we did yesterday?
The last question that we did yesterday was that a car started from town A to reach town B in 3 or 15 minutes. If the car reached town B at 6:15 p.m. So this is the last question.
This was the which question number was it? Can you tell me the question number?
Question number 8.
Good morning, sir.
The question number 8. The
Okay,
answer
so
was 2:25 p.m.
Coding again.
beta, I have not started anything till now. Okay, so we will do coding and decoding after some time. First, let us do one
Sir,
more.
we have to make another copy for this.
No, beta, if you want, you can make another notebook and you can do this work in your maths notebook also. Okay. You can do this work in your maths notebook also. So we will do coding and decoding, but after some time, let us finish the topic blocks. Okay. Now the next question in the topic blocks, question number 9. Put on the question, all of you. Note down the question. A car started from town A. A car started from town A and reached town B and reached town B in and reached town B in 5 hours 30 minutes. 5 hours 30 minutes. Five hours 30 minutes. Full stop. If the car reached town B at if the car reached town B at 3:15 p.m. town A से गई town B. The car reached town B at 3:15 p.m. At what time the car started from town A? सेकेंड वाली लाइन में दोबारा बोल रहा हूं. If the car reached town B at 3:15 p.m. 3:15 p.m. 3:15 p.m. comma at what time the car started from town A. Town A से कितने बजे चली थी? This you have to find out. Start doing the question, all of you.
sir, what is after at what time?
At what time the car started from town A? At what time the car started from town A? Give the answer.
Sir, is the answer 2:15 p.m.?
No, beta.
Sir, what is written between town A and town B?
5 hours 30 minutes. इसका मतलब ये है कि रास्ते में the journey was of 5 hours 30 minutes. कितना टाइम लगा रास्ते में? 5 hours 30 minutes लगे. So it is quite clear that.
Sir, is the 9:45?
Sorry,
1:45 p.m. 1:45 p.m.
Sir, is the answer
Sir, is the answer 1:45 p.m.
sir,
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 is the answer
sir, is the answer 10? Sir, is the answer 10:45 a.m.?
You can send your answers in the chat box.
Sir, is the answer 10:45
Sir, is the
a.m.?
answer 8:45 p.m.
Send your answers in the chat box. Send your answers in the chat box.
Sir, send it.
Mridul Patel, is it AM or PM?
Sir, answer sended in the chat.
Mridul Patel, is it AM or PM? AM. Correct answer. Mridul Patel, correct answer.
Thank you, sir. Sir, my.
Sir, please.
Not
Karan.
Raj Sharma.
Sir, my.
Not correct. Not correct.
Sir, my. Sir, Unnati. Sir, my. Sir, Unnati.
Not correct. All the other answers are wrong. Only Mridul Patel has given the correct answer till now.
So, what is the correct answer?
Sir, my.
Wrong answers. All answers are wrong. All the other
Answer is correct. Lavanya Bhojwani.
No, not correct.
What is the time written under town?
Sir, my answer is correct. Atik Singh.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Karanjit, what are you saying? Atik Singh answer is correct.
What is the correct answer?
Thank you, sir.
Sir, please see my answer. Sir, Rishit.
Other answers are not correct. Not correct.
Sir, please tell what
Sir,
is the
can you
correct
wait for
answer?
5 minutes?
Akshit Bhardwaj. Is it
Time
Akshit
written under town
Bhardwaj?
B.
Correct answer. Okay, so it is quite clear that you have to subtract
Sir, please
3
wait for
hours,
5 minutes.
15 minutes में से आपको 5 hours 30 minutes minus करना है. Okay. So when you, as you all can see that 3 hours 15 minutes is smaller than 5 hours 30 minutes. ये छोटे हैं ना? 3 hours 15 minutes is smaller. So what to do when this time is smaller? You add 12 hours in it. Add 12 in it. So now you get 15 hours. So now when you give the answer, first of all, this has become 15 hours 15 minutes. And now when you give the answer, your answer will be in AM. Because this was in PM and we have added 12 hours. We have added 12 hours in it. So now your answer will be in AM. So 5 hours 30 minutes. So simple trick is there. Add 12 hours in this. 3 plus 12, 15. Now when you solve this, find the difference. Your answer will be in AM, not PM. So 15 hours 15 minutes. This is 915 minutes. 915 minutes. And this is 330 minutes after converting in minutes. Okay. So the difference of these two is 585 minutes.
Sir, it will be 195.
915. 15 hours 15 minutes. 915. Add 12 hours in 3 hours. 3 plus 12, 15 hours. Because 3 hours 15 minutes is smaller than 5 hours 30 minutes, so you have to add 12. Otherwise, you cannot do it. Add 12 in it. So this becomes 915 minutes minus 330 minutes after converting in minutes. Now your answer is in minutes. Now you all know how to convert minutes in hours and minutes by dividing it by 60. You have to divide this by 60. So after dividing by 60, you will get 9 hours 45 minutes. 9 hours 45 minutes. So what is your answer? Your answer is 9:45 AM. Why AM? Because हमने 12 add किया है. That is why. 9:45 AM. This is the answer. So very simple. Which part you have
Sir,
not
I'm
understood?
also not able to understand that why are we subtracting 330 minutes by 915 minutes?
Beta, we have converted this in minutes. You know how to convert this in minutes?
Yes, sir.
915. 5 hours 30 minutes also you convert in minutes, you will get 330 minutes.
Okay, sir, I understood.
Okay. And why we are adding 12 in this? Why are we
Yes,
adding
sir,
12?
please.
Because this is smaller. ये छोटा है ना? 3 hours 15 minutes is smaller than 5 hours 30 minutes. Am I right or not? This is smaller. So you add 12 in this. After adding 12, you will get 15 hours 15 minutes. So whenever the first number is smaller, you have to add 12 in it, and then you change, instead of PM, you will give your answer in AM. Clear? So when you are adding 12, instead of PM, you will give your answer in AM. Only this is the difference.
Sir,
Yes.
Okay, sir, understood.
sir, please explain me again.
Beta, do you all know that here we have to do the subtraction, do subtraction? This you all have understood or not? We have to do subtraction.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, sir.
we have to do subtraction here.
Yes.
Now when the first number, the first one is smaller, this time it is smaller than this. This is smaller, am I right or not? Compare
Yes,
करना
sir.
आपको, ये छोटा
Yes,
है.
sir.
So when this is smaller, the first number is smaller, you have to add 12. 12 hours आप add कर लेंगे इसमें. 12 hours. Add 12 hours in this. 3 plus 12, this becomes 15 hours. So 15 hours, 15 minutes. 3 hours, 15 minutes की जगह 15 hours, 15 minutes हो गए. Got it or not? Now you have to subtract.
Yes, sir.
15 hours
Yes, sir.
minus 5 hours 30 minutes. You convert this in minutes. इसको मिनट्स में चेंज कर लीजिए, इसको भी मिनट्स में चेंज कर लीजिए. मिनट्स में चेंज करना आता है?
Yes, sir.
करना आता
Yes,
है?
sir.
15 multiplied by 60 plus 15, 915. इसको भी चेंज कर लिया मिनट्स में. Then you find the difference, 585 minutes. 585 minutes. Now again change in hours and minutes. How do you change in hours and minutes? You have to divide this by 60. इसको 60 से divide कर लीजिए. You will get 9 hours 45 minutes. So
Okay, sir.
divide this.
Okay, sir.
5 a.m. Understood, all of you? Can you do another
Yes, sir.
question? Same type another question.
Yes, sir. I understood.
Okay, so just changing the numbers. You can note down the question. You can see the language from the last question. The language of the question number 9 will come in question 10 also. The statements will be same, and only the numbers I am going to change. So question 10. A car started from town A and reached town B in 3 hours 20 minutes. 3 hours 20 minutes. If the car reached town B at 2:15 p.m. At what time the car started from town A? The car reached town B at 2:15 p.m. At what time the car started from town A?
Sir, please say the question again.
Beta,
As
you have to
voice
write
was
the
not.
same question, question number 9. The same language will be there. Only the numbers I have changed. Yes, you can see on the board. The numbers are changed. Bus. Start doing the question.
Sir, please see ma.
Sir, is my correct?
Let me see.
Sir, please see my.
Till now, we have not got the right answer. Not correct. Till now, we have not got the right answer.
Sir, is my answer correct? Atiks.
No, beta. Atiks, your answer is correct, I think. Let me think. Yeah, correct answer. Atiks.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Atiks is giving all the right answers because he's sitting in the school. That is why.
Please check my answer. Now is it correct?
No.
Sir,
Just-
please check my answer.
Just one correct answer till now. Atik Singh has given the correct answer. Others have not given the correct answers till now. Is it so difficult?
Sir, please wait. I am just solving this question.
It's easy. You are not following the steps, all of you. You are not following the steps. You are in class 5. And it is a topic of class 4.
Sir, I have sent answer. Tell correct or not?
No, not correct.
Please.
Not correct. Let me tell you. So first of all, it should be clear that how will you find the time? The car reached town B at 2:15. So from 2:15 you will subtract 3 hours 20 minutes to find out at what time the car started from town A. So 2 hours 15 minutes minus 3 hours 20 minutes. The first number is smaller or greater? First number.
Sir, smaller.
Smaller.
It is smaller.
Smaller.
So you have to add 12 hours. When the first number is smaller, you will have to add 12 hours in it. So when you add 12 hours, it becomes 14 hours 15 minutes minus 3 hours 20 minutes. So when the first number is smaller, you add 12 hours in it. 14 hours 15 minutes. What is the value of 14 hours 15 minutes in minutes? You convert this in minutes.
855 minutes.
Minus this also you convert in
850.
minutes. 3 multiplied by 60 plus 20. Okay.
14 hours 15 minutes
So then-
is equals to 855 minutes and 3 hours 20 minutes
14
is
into
equals to
60.
200 minutes.
This is equals to 840. 840 plus 15. That means 855. 855 minus 180 plus 20. That means 200. 855 minus 200 is equals to 655.
655 minutes.
655 minutes. So you have got your answer in minutes because you have converted both the numbers in minutes. So 855 minutes minus 200 minutes is equal to 655 minutes. Okay, after converting in minutes. Now you change your answer in hours and minutes. 655 when you divide by 60. Divide this by 60. 165. Then you copy down 5. After copying 5, the number is smaller than 60, so you write a 0 here. Most of the time you forget this. When after copying a digit 5, again the number is smaller than 60, so you write a 0. So 10 hours 55 minutes. That is 10.
Sir, my answer is correct.
AM. This is the answer. 10:55 AM. I don't know where you all are doing the mistake. Not happy to see you all giving wrong answers. Is it clear to all of you now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So will you all be doing mistakes now again? Or
No, sir.
Can you do the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm giving the next one now. So same question. I'm going to repeat it. All of you have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So same question is there. Only the
Yes, sir.
I'm only going to change the numbers. The question is again same. Do you know we can do this orally also? I am finding all the answers orally. I'm finding all the answers orally, and I don't know why you all are doing so many mistakes. Okay, so a car started from town A and reached town B in 7 hours 50 minutes. 7 hours 50 minutes. And the car reached town B at 1:10 a.m. Sorry, p.m. The car reached town B at 1:10 p.m. You have to tell at what time the car started from town A. Just change the numbers and tell me at what time the car started from town A.
Okay, sir. Sir, is my answer correct? I have find it this
Correct
orally.
answer. Atish, your answer is absolutely correct.
Sir, I have find it this orally.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
You are giving all the correct answers because you are sitting in the school. Am I right, Atish?
Thank you, sir. Okay.
I want to see your video again, Atish. Is your video on? Atish,
Yes, the video is on.
let me see. I'm not able to see you. Where are you? Atish. Atish. I'm not able to see Atish. Where is Atish? Yeah, very nice. बेटा show me your face. थोड़ा सा बेटा कैमरा से दूर हो अतीश. Very nice. You're looking very good and giving all the correct answers. It makes me feel proud of you. Very good. I have taken a screenshot. Now I will again and again I will be seeing your photograph. Nice, Atish. Okay. Others? Hare mar gaye. Yeah. Still, you all are giving wrong answers. Okay. Nandini, beta, wrong answers.
Sir, please wait. I am doing.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Please wait. I am also doing.
तेरह 10 Not correct, beta.
Sir, is my correct?
No, beta, not correct.
Sir, please check mine is correct or not.
Vivan, not correct.
Sir, please say Adhiraj Sharma.
Adhiraj, not correct. Angel, correct answer. Who's
What,
Angel?
sir?
Angel, your answer is correct. Who's Angel?
Sir, I am.
Angel, what's your full name?
An-
Sorry? Sorry, beta, what's your full name?
Sir, her full
Sir,
name
my
is...
full name is Angel Saxena.
Angel Saxena. Angel, I have seen you first time in the class. Do you attend classes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have never noticed you. Very good, correct answer, Angel. I want to see your
Thank
video.
you, sir.
Can you switch on your video, Angel? Have you switched on your video, Angel?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me find. Angel. Where is Angel? Where is Angel? Yeah, here she is. Angel beta, very good, correct answer.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Well,
please
Sir,
check my
please
it is
say-
correct or not.
Sir, please say
Sir,
Adhiraj
please check
Sharma.
mine.
Sir,
Is it
Shashwat Gupta.
correct or not?
Shashwat Gupta.
Shashwat Gupta.
Sir, please check my.
Sir, please check mine. Rishit.
Okay, let me check. Mridul, not correct.
Thank
Shika,
you,
Please
sir.
check Rishita Agarwal.
Mridul, not correct.
How to convert? Sir, please check mine. Sir, the answer is 320.
Adhiraj, not correct. Rishika, not correct. Ayushman, not correct. Shashwat, not correct.
Sir, am I correct?
No, not correct. Rishika, not correct. Karamjeet, not correct. Rishit Srivastav, not correct. Ishika, not correct. Adhiraj, not correct. Vivan, not correct. Angel, correct. Hargun, not correct. Nandini, not correct. Satish, correct. So, these answers. Adhiraj, not correct. Hargun, not correct. Shashwat, not correct. So, till now, two of you have given the correct. I am not able to understand why you are not giving the correct answer.
Sir is the answer 5. Sir is the answer 5 hours 20 minutes like 5:20 a.m.
5:20 a.m. is the correct answer.
Yeah.
The correct answer is 5:20 a.m. 1 hour 10 minutes minus 7 hours 50 minutes. 1 hour 10 minutes minus 7 hours 15 minutes.
Tera.
Okay.
So please wait 1 minute, sir. I am sending in chat box. Sir, I have read and
This number is smaller, we will add 12 hours. Simple logic, the same steps we are following in all our questions. 1 hour plus 12 hours makes it 13 hours 10 minutes minus 7 hours 15 minutes.
780. 780.
Okay, I will tell you how to do this over
Sir,
here.
my is correct. Sir, please check my answer.
Beta, now I will not check any answers because I have already given the answer. Now I will not. You have to see on
Sir,
the board.
I have read and it is correct.
I will not check any answers now because I have already given the answer. The answer is 5:20 a.m. You can check your answers. 13 into 60, what is the product? 780 plus 10. So this becomes 790. 790 minutes minus 7 into 60, 420 plus 50, 470 minus 470 minutes. So this is equal to 780.
So 320.
There's some mistake I've done.
Got the answer.
Sir, I have got the answer and
I have also got the answer. Sorry.
320 minutes. 320 minutes. Now you change 320 minutes in hours and minutes. You will get 5 hours 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
5 hours 20 minutes is equal to 5:20 a.m. This is the answer. Take your answer. 5:20 a.m. Take a screenshot. Those who want to copy it from the board. You can.
The correct answer.
Meeting is about to end. Take a screenshot.
The correct.
all are mistaking in minutes. He is not, anybody can not this minutes in that.
Sir, my answer will be correct, but sir, I have making